So I bought this as a solution to fill my mini washing machine that I have standing on my counter, and I'll show you guys why it does not work for this purpose or with my type of faucet. I'm going to pause the video and show you what I mean. First of all, when you turn it on, after you've put it on, if you don't pay attention, it's just going to leak right away. So here, turn on the sink and it's just blocking the water. First it leaks there and it's leaking full blown underneath. Now I had tried to hold it to keep it from leaking, and it still continues to leak, as you can see. The other thing, if it weren't, and it does not, my sink does not leak without this. And if it weren't for that, it also only works if it's for downward, like if you want it to go up, it won't work. So I'm holding this up and the water pressure does not go up. So it's not enough water pressure to go up. So I've turned this off. So this is what I tell you guys, unless you just needed to fill something on the bottom and you have a really good sink that won't leak, and you don't have the type of sink that I have, unless you're prepared to actually physically hold it, which I'm sure that's the reason why you guys decided to get this, is not to have to hold anything. It's not convenient. It does not do its job as advertised at all. So I'd say stay away. Here's the water trying to travel up, and I'm holding it so it's not blocking, and here it is. The water does not go up. Gravity, and all it does is leak all over my floor. Thanks. Now I'm gonna have to clean up again. So I wanted to show that my little flimsy water hose that I have to hold in place actually works better than this. Here it is. As you can see, the water actually goes up the hose and does the job, where this, and it does not cause me flooding. So this, I would say be careful before you purchase.
I guess it does a good job.
doesn't matter how you have it, it still will leak. And this is even with it pointed down. You point it up, just a second, I only have 2 hands. Point it up, and it's even worse. I don't know if you can see how much water is coming out of it. And nothing, hardly anything comes out of, really not much comes out of the hose. It's gotta be pointed down. Oh well. Hooked up to the sink, you can tell. Good pressure going through. Scotilla, punching. Love it. It's a must.
You raise it high, you just wait a moment for it to fill up. And sometimes it comes out the top. You gotta slow it down. And see, doesn't always work. We'll go down.
That feels good, Mama.
Good.